Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to upgrade my personal PC. I got a good deal on some hardware recently that was bought used, and I'm upgrading to the Ryzen 7 800X3D. Specifically, I'm going to do this to see what kind of performance I'm going to get in the game Escape from Tarkov. It's a game that I have many hours in, and currently I'm rocking an i5 12th gen, so hopefully we're going to see some gains. Let's get upgrading and then I'll show you some benchmarks. Alright, so it was a quick test. I died quickly and it doesn't really matter, but as you can see, I was getting almost twice the FPS in the streets map in Escape from Tarkov. It's a huge gain, it's a huge win. I think Tarkov just needs that CPU 3D cache, so that was really good. I hope you enjoyed this build video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. This is a big upgrade for me and I could definitely feel a huge difference. Way less stuttering, way less FPS lag, and basically the 1% low and 0.1% low also got better. I was sitting at an average of like 90 or something, you see in the video, but overall very great. I'm happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one.